So if you're like me and you have a dog that you love very much, but they get dog hair everywhere, let me show you this tool I picked up. So this is by a company, I think they're called Analan. It's a mini pet hair detailer, and it looks like this, and it has these small, medium, and large teeth. And I'll show you on the back of my rear deck of my Mustang. So if you come on in here, you can see I've got these piles. And what I've been doing, coming in here with this tool, and you just brush it along the carpet, and it puts it in a pile, and then you're able to vacuum it in one swoop and actually get it from caught in between the carpet. Works really well from what I can tell, and figured this might be helpful to some of you guys with pets who take care of your cars.